Hey, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this video, I'll be discussing about how to make good quality school chalk using simple tools and simple machines, and how you can really make profits out of school chalk. Did you know that school chalk is one of the most profitable business ventures you can find in the year 2025? Watch this video and until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to friends. I'll be sharing with you everything as regards commercial dustless school chalk production business. How you can get materials, how you can get machines, and what you have to do in order to come out with quality school chalk. Stay on this video and watch it until the end. You'll learn a lot regarding commercial school chalk production. Let's go. Let's start our video.